Classic reimagined. Truly analog. Full creative control. Instant Con SF70.
Time-lapse videos, lightning strikes, flying foods, popping balloons, burning steel wolves, high dynamic range images. No matter what kind of photography, as Ansel Adams said, you don't take a photograph, you make it. Sometimes you travel for miles, struggle with harsh weather, wait for hours, make countless attempts for the same scene. All this for one thing, making a great photo. This is why we have created Flex, the easiest way of making creative photos. Lightning strikes are one of the spectacular events of nature. Flex is an excellent tool for those who want to capture these unique moments. Adjust the camera settings, set the sensor sensitivity, and leave the rest to Flex. Whether daytime or nighttime, it detects lightning strikes and automatically triggers your camera to make the magic happen. You can instantly see the shot on your smartphone and combine multiple lightning strikes in a single photo to make impressive lightning photos. Moreover, you can instantly share them on your social media accounts with a single touch. Flex is one of the most powerful devices for making time-lapse videos last from minutes to hours without any hassle. In addition to regular time-lapse modes, Flex adds bulb ramping, HDR time-lapse, and even Holy Grail time-lapse for complex lighting conditions such as day-to-night transitions. Best of all, Flex shows you a preview of your time-lapse video during the shooting process. High dynamic range photography is another great way of making stunning photos. Flex extends your camera's bracketing limitations. It magically takes multiple images of the same scene at different exposures and stitches them into a single HDR image in seconds. Set your composition, exposure, and sit back. Just share with others and enjoy the comments. Live framing is an excellent tool for those who like to shoot with pre-planned compositions. Put the finishing touches on your scene and take the perfect photo with a single tap. Step into high-speed photography with Flex's smart sensors, which combine multiple high-speed photography features in a single unit. Take multiple shots of flying objects by freezing the moment. Making the photo you have dreamed of is now very easy and fun by using the laser mode. Or unleash your creativity with a popping balloon. Capture the right moment, preview from your smartphone, edit, and make that eye-catching photo. Flex is also capable of geotagging your photos by adding the GPS data from your smartphone. You can now easily organize your images according to their location. Flex offers far more functionality than a standard cable release. Its 6 different cable release modes let you dominate the shutter. You can release it with a single touch or set a timer to release the shutter. If you are a lover of star trails, steel wools, or light paintings, Flex will be an essential tool in your photo bag. Use one of Flex's many long exposure modes without having to touch your camera. You will be impressed by Flex's great features and be amazed by the contribution it can make to your photography. Please support our campaign and let's turn this dream into reality together again.
I need to buy a diving computer and I want to buy an underwater camera, but buying both of them is too expensive. Is there any way to solve this problem with one product? When your smartphone meets Diveroid, it's possible. Introducing Diveroid, which will make your diving experience safe and fun. Do you have to buy a new housing every time you purchase a new smartphone? With Universal Pro Housing, you can insert and use any kind of smartphone regardless of the size and brand, such as Apple, Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, LG, and Samsung. It even has a heatsink system that prevents fogging and a double O ring structure with a 60-meter waterproof functionality. Meet the best multifunctional underwater housing equipped with compatibility and durability at a reasonable price. The Mini is a small diving computer and it is very simple to use. Download the Diveroid app, connect with your smartphone, and you're ready. The diving computer and a camera. Check diving computer information such as NDL, depth, and time while taking pictures. The most important thing while diving is safety. 6 different alarms, including slowdown and safety stop functions, are responsible for your underwater safety. Enjoy taking professional underwater videos with various angles. Diveroid provides 4 camera modes: ultra wide angle, zoom, and selfie. 4K video mode enables you to edit with your pictures even after using the red filter. The real-time software-based red filter feature will optimize the color in any environment. That was a great dive! Let's take a look at the pictures we took today. A photo-synced logbook with depth information is automatically created. Check your diving records at a glance. Why don't we make a logbook link and send our diving records to family and friends? Add depth, graphs, and diving data to your best shots and share them on Instagram using the Diving Story sharing feature. Experience a new diving world with Diveroid. All-in-one dive gear, Diveroid.